Hello guys, today I will show you how to make waffles. The ingredients include 2 egg yolks and 10 grams icing sugar. "35 grams melted and salted butter. 170 grams milk. 1 teaspoonful vanilla extract. 155 grams cake flour and 10 grams baking powder. Adding 2 times. Two egg whites and a pinch of salt. ¼ teaspoonful cream of tartar. 20 grams sugar. Whip until nearly stiff peak. Gentle mix water egg white with flour mixture to loosen it. Gentle out the egg white with flour mixture. Let it rest for about 10 minutes. Reheat the waffle machine. Put the unsalted butter in the waffle machine. Bake for 5 to 7 minutes until golden yellow. Chocolate ice cream. Caramel sauce. Thank you for watching.